lack of growth, discord, attrition, and I think probably the worst one is lethargy. Has anyone ever suffered lethargy in the organisation? There's nothing worse than meh, is there? Nothing, you can't do anything with it. If somebody is not motivated or if the organisation is unhappy, then you've got something to work with. But if it's just lethargy, that's probably the most difficult thing. But if we can understand what motivates someone else, we can provide an environment where they can see their own motivations, their own values, have time to grow. So what we're saying here is your behaviour is always intrinsically linked to your values as a human being. However, what's going on in your life changes your behaviour. It gives you nuances, it gives you differences, and that was the aha moment for me when I suddenly went, yes, now I understand it. What is a company? The important thing is that a company is a collaboration of people. It's not a collection of single people, okay? It's a collaboration of people, and it's what we do together that makes it a success. The collective power of the human being is our strength.